Hello friends, in this video I will be taking a look at the Gosund smart plug that I recently purchased on Amazon. This nifty tool will take your antisocial skills to the next level. I'm talking Google and Alex, you know her name, are going to be your only friends next level. Yup, it's awesome. This is currently $19.99 USD on Amazon, and it comes with a 2-pack of 2-in-1 extender sockets, so a total of 4 sockets. It's truly a nifty gifty, if you will. I am obsessed with Velcro, so I have this Aki power strip Velcroed to the wall. Upon attempting to attach my new Gosund smart plug onto it, it awkwardly covered 3 sockets, so it was a little weird. Keep that in mind. It's probably best to plug it into the wall in this case, or perhaps every case, I don't know. It took me a few tries to connect the item to my phone, but as soon as I did, it was smooth sailing, smoother than a baby's butt in fact. I connected an upstairs desk lamp to one of the sockets and a downstairs night light-ish thing to the other. I'm currently only occupying 2 out of the 4 provided sockets. What could possibly occupy the 2 remaining vacant sockets? I know not yet. You can control it via the Gosund app on your phone, and as I mentioned before, the Gosund smart plug works with Google and Alexandra. This is my first foray into the world of smart devices, and boy, I can already see myself getting used to it. I can see myself never getting up again, never speaking to another human again. I love it so much I can hardly contain myself. My first impression on this thing is that it's dope AF, and I think you should check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. As always, stay on the good side of the internet.